What are we making today, Aaron?
Slime.
Slime? What do we have? We have some glue. What else? So, hey, Mommy's gonna help you.
Eye drops.
Eye drops, yeah.
Corn shucks.
Baking soda. And
Soda. Blue and blue.
we have...
Green. Green.
So we have food coloring, glitter glue to go with it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make slime with contact solution today. Yeah?
I'm not good at this.
Okay.
Now,
I think so.
this. Tiny bits.
You add... You're gonna make the green slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the blue slime like this. No, put it
For green food coloring. Squeeze. Good, that's enough. And now you need the baking soda.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little. And the eye drops.
Eye drops.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Put a little bit more. Baking soda. And a little bit more of eye drop. 3 drops. Okay. So what color are we making next, Aaron? Blue? Oops, we dropped a little. So you mixed all the colors together? Yeah?
It's really something.
It's okay. So we added more contact solution to make it a little bit more stretchy, fluffy, and less sticky to our hands. So there's really no kind of measurements, you just have to test it as you make it. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah. Pretty much fine.
So, Aaron, now you know how to make slime. Would you recommend the kids to make their own slime?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Wow, it's stretching.
Yeah.
Switch.
Whoa.
Please subscribe. Bye.